Hello, Tiggy. Want to do a Tiggy's toy review? Look what came in today. What is that? What is that? It's a shout out for EXToyBox. So, made an order from him. Take over, camera kid. Ooh, look at that. That's good wrapping. Very nice. So, what we have here today is a parts box for a Diaclone Prowl. In '84, the very first toys that they sent over here still have the Diaclone labels on them, and they were with a circle stamp. Man, look how good a condition that's in. So, the roof and the windows need replaced. Everything else is really nice. So, I'm going to restore this. I've already got a pilot for it. That waist is intact. So, the next time I do a full review on this, it's going to be completely restored. Let's see. Turn the light on. Just hit the light. Yep. What's that? Does that have the Diaclone emblem on it right there? It says something. Hopefully I can still use these original stickers. I don't know if that one's going to be savable or not, but check it out. They didn't paint the full faces on the original ones. They left the eyes white. So yeah, I just wanted to do that shout out, and I will get in touch with you here soon. EX Toys. Just been having a lot going on. But, yeah, I'll do a follow-up video on the restore on that and keep you updated. What do you think, Tiggy? What do you think, bud? Is that cool? This little nose is going. Some kitty cat treats. Oh yeah, he's all about them kitty cat treats. Alright, we'll catch you next time. Bye, Tigs.